It's been a long time since we painted butterflies on silk. Today's tutorial will be good for beginners, but as always, good silk painting starts with a good drawing. The center axis, the place of the body of the butterfly, upper wings, lower wings, everything is very conventional and schematic at the beginning. And then the refinement and detailing begins. I do not try to achieve absolute symmetry. In nature, it's very rare. To make the pattern better visible through the silk, I usually trace it with a marker, and traditional grid drawing for those who find it easier to draw this way. And this is where I will position my butterfly. You may know that sometimes I dye multiple projects on one piece of silk. I use regular pins to secure the pattern so it doesn't shift in the process. And I have a book under the pattern so the pattern doesn't sag. Today I have a transparent resist. And for the black butterfly it's not suitable, not at all. And frankly, I'm too lazy to repaint it black. And that's why I will use the technique in which all previous projects on this piece of silk were painted. That is, first I outline the drawing with the pencil. Now I take out the pins and put the book away. As always, I will need round brushes with very thin tips, porous paper, and the dyes are yellow, magenta, black and warm dark green. I start with the thinnest brush. In this technique I need to outline the black parts of the butterfly with black paint. And there are several videos on the channel where I show different ways to turn transparent resist into a colored one. And all the links will be in the description below. And this brush I think is too thin, so I'd better take a bigger brush. If I feel like there is too much water on the brush, I dry it off. Yes, now I'm happy with the thickness of the line. And this is the green color, but the brush is the same. When the brush is quite dry, I can circle twice. Now all the colored areas I have filled in, only the black outline is left. And here is my clear resist. Now my main task is to get the resist exactly on the dye line. In the previous videos I was quite detailed on this, but now I'm waiting for the resist to dry and stop shining. But the painting here is very simple, just to fill with one color without transitions. Where the resist has gone beyond the line of the original contour, there are wide gaps, so we should be careful about that. Black color can be left evenly black, or you can still in some places dilute it more water, making it gray. As always, a big thank you to all who put likes, write comments, share the videos. You are a huge help to the channel. Thank you very much again. You see, at first I was going to make these areas lighter in color, and then I still decided to make them darker. And you may ask why. Frankly, I don't know. Not everything can be explained. Sometimes I just rely on my intuition. In this butterfly, I really like these black veins, or what's the right word for it, among the black background. They create such a subtle play that is barely noticeable but yet very elegant. And I think I'll have to paint a beautiful background here in one of my next videos. Good luck with your silk painting, and I'll see you!